The Model Y is finally here in Australia, and we have one here at Clean Getaway Car Detailing at our business, and we are doing a really awesome protection package for this vehicle. So this customer really wants to protect his paintwork from getting stone chipped in the most vulnerable spots. So we've got the new Model Y. It's only been here for a week now. A big boatload essentially has been coming over to Australia, and so we're going to be doing paint protection film and also laying down the ceramic coating over the whole vehicle so that it makes it a lot easier to maintain. But the PPF is definitely going to help stop stone chips. Check it out. So after checking over the whole vehicle, we noticed there's like this tiny little stone chip that the owner got on his car driving up from Brisbane to the sunny coast right there. So we've talked to the owner about it, because since we're doing paint protection film, it will most likely be a little bit visible under there. So we're gonna actually relocate this badge. We're gonna move it up about 5 mils to cover that stone chip, because we're removing this badge anyway, and then we're wrapping the whole bonnet with paint protection film, and we're wrapping the whole front bar, and including the mirrors and the rear doors. So when we do that, after we've laid the film, we'll pop this badge down so it covers over that stone chip. So therefore there is no stone chips in his car whatsoever prior to getting the film. That's cool. We're gonna bring in the wash bay now, get it all prepped, and then we're gonna start weeding the film. We've got the Model Y here in the clean room, and we're laying down the PPF. We just started doing the bonnet, which is going to be all wrapped around the edges. So as you can see, like we mentioned before, we've removed the badge. That's going to go back on later on. And the great thing about this template we're using, we'll wrap fully around these edges. And so that it will literally look like there's no PPF on there. And hopefully that is the case, because when we wrap it under, we just got to probably do a little bit of trimming underneath the molding on the underside. And we just want to see how it reacts after a few days of doing the film. And then we'll be moving on to the front bar and also the rear doors at the back. So it's going to look really, really nice as it goes on, and really protect it from any more future stone chips in the paintwork. All morning we've been here really just going over the Model Y, just trimming the PPF, making sure that it's all nicely tucked, all the edges are done well, and just trimming it in from some of the edges that can't be wrapped, just to make sure they don't lift, and just to get that finish really, really well. So we just got to just do a few more little things on the front bar this afternoon or tomorrow morning. But now we're just going to prep the surface with the Bowden's Own Flash Prep. That's going to clean off all the slip solutions, soap suds, any like light dust or debris, and really just clean the paintwork and all the glass and obviously all the panels as well. And then we'll lay down the ceramic coating over the PPF and of course over all the glass, all the surfaces, all the paintwork, and all the plastic trims on the Model Y too. So let's get into it. The Model Y is pretty much all finished. We've done the PPF on the rear doors. We've wrapped around these edges here, under there, tucked it around here. We've had to cut it underneath just so there's no chances of water getting up under the film, because that would mean it'd have to be fully redone. We've done the mirrors. We've wrapped the whole bonnet. We've took the badge off. We've put it back on. We've overlaid it over a chip there, so you can't even tell now. And we've also done the front bar. But with the front bar, you'll notice down here, we've actually laid the film over the sensors here and over here. And right now, they don't look very good, to be honest, but that will dry out. With paint protection film, you've got to give it time. There's weird little, just weird wavy looking things, just random looking things on paint protection film. You got to give it a few weeks to fully dry out, and then we get it back to have a free check over, because we want to make sure that everything's gone down properly and that there'll be no long-term issues. We've obviously coated the whole car as well, and it's looking really, really, really good. So the owner's picking it up tomorrow, and that is our first Tesla Model Y that we've had here that's had the machine polishing, coating, and of course paint protection film. So we're hoping to get many, many more. It was a really good experience working on this. A bit more difficult than the Model 3. It's a bit bigger, a bit wider, bit taller, bit bigger in every department, but it's definitely going to make a huge difference moving forward to protect it from stone chipping, because it's already got a few very small chips on it, and having the PPF will really help prevent that from happening. If you've got a Tesla, swing by our workshop, come have a chat to us about working on your car, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.